What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm here in Dollar Tree and I'm just discovering this end cap. I know you guys love the peppermint bark, so I had to show it. I know you guys love the thin mints. They are here already. We also have the chocolate covered cherries. We have these up here, the Queen Anne cordial cherries. We have the caramel peanut crisp clusters. We have peanut brittle, and we have chocolates. Behind me, we have socks that cost $10. Everywhere else, we have the 3 packs of socks. Look for the sizing right here. You guys, these go for $10 everywhere else. Goldtoe. Goldtoe is a brand that's been around for a long time, and it's a really nice quality sock. We have a variety of 3 packs. These also include a pair of Argyle socks. We have these. These feel really nice. Like this is a nice quality pair of socks. Okay, this is a kid's. Medium fits 9 through 2.5. Large fits 3 through 9. I wish they had some large ones of these because I would love to get some of these for Gator, but these are all mediums. I just don't know if medium is going to be big enough. I'm gonna say probably not. So, I'm instantly sad, but hopefully you guys can find some that you like. We also have more super cute socks that would be really cute stocking stuffers. The juncture socks, all the cuddly socks. We have the Mossy Oak. Yes, you guys, that's name brand, the Mossy Oak Extreme Heat thermal socks. We have even more down here. We also have Christmas socks. Aw, this is my first time seeing the little gnome. Cute little snowmen, snow women. Over here we have ear muffins, infinity scarves. We have mittens, we have more socks, we have socks for baby. Look at these. Aww. Hello, baby. These are newborn socks, definitely newborn socks. I want to discover what's new for the week. I have a feeling that some of these tins might be new for the week. They're really cute. We also have Joy to the World, Believe in the Magic of Christmas, Penguin. Oh, I love this one. Reindeer, Snowman, Santa. Those are cute. Felt ornament kits. A 12-piece felt Christmas tree. Felt finger puppet kits. Cute. All the stickers. The DIY ornament kits. I believe these are new. This is cute. The little stars on it. All the ribbons. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Au Frais is the brand. I love the little Christmas trees. We also have super cute snowflakes. The Christmas trees have to be my favorite though. Those are so cute. We also have the tumblers. I feel like the tumblers are really cute this year. Oh, these are back. The little block storage cases are back. I feel like it's been a hard year down the Dollar Tree toy aisle. I feel like there hasn't been a lot of excitement lately. These would be cute little gifts or stocking stuffers. My boys loved those when they were little. The little construction drill sets. That would make a 1 or 2 year old or 3 year old really, really happy. These are new. Little car remotes. Looks like we have a few new puzzles. Those would be cute stocking stuffers if you have a person that's into puzzles. These little ones would be stocking stuffer sized as well. Coloring books. Na surprise. These are definitely brand new. By the Bendon brand. The book section smells so good. We have Care Bears, little coloring books that have stickers. Oh, these are really cute. Lots of options over here. Or maybe someone in your life loves word vines. That would be a good little stocking stuffer. And of course the books. 20 female friendships that changed history. Girl Squads. These would be excellent stocking stuffers, especially for kids. We have brush sets, stencil brushes. Oh, for Gator. He can never have enough of this. He loves that glue. The cute little mini bottles. And yes, they are glass. We have sequins and glitter, piercing and scoring tool sets for the crafter. If they don't have one already, this would be a good little set. We also have beads. These are brand new, you guys. The styling heads. And yes, it's definitely stocking stuffer sized. Anything else new? We have a lot of pretend play stuff. These are so cute though. The little purses. The model magic. That would be a good little stocking stuffer. This stuff would be a good stocking stuffer. Scatter. It's called Moon Dust. The little fishing game. That would be a cute little gift. Lots of options here at Dollar Tree. Okay, you guys, well, I'm going to start another video over here by the craft items. I know you guys love seeing what's new over here. And this location always has a lot to look at. So definitely join me in my very next video, you guys. If you loved hanging out with me, or if you just love Dollar Tree, definitely consider subscribing. Everyone is welcome here. And I would love to have you guys as part of the Bunny Birdie Gator family. Anyways, you guys, on that note, I'm out of here and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.